Welcome to our online trading session where we teach you practical ways on how to trade and also how to have profitable trades. So today we want to focus on a certain chart pattern that I normally use for my entries. So when you focus on chart patterns and trading strategies, you have to look for at least 2 or 3 that you consistently trade. If you look for so many, it might be confusing at times, or you might not be consistent and you might not learn it extensively. But if you focus on 2 or 3, it's easier to spot them, and also you might learn more about it and maximize your profits. So this one, I'll mix a trend line and a 3-drive pattern. So how is a 3-drive pattern formed? So a 3-drive pattern will have points that you join. The first 2 points will be points that you'll use for you to draw your trend line. Then the third point is what you will use as your entry. Hence the name 3-drive pattern. Like on this one, that's your first point. That's the second point that we'll use for our trend line. And if price comes to reach a certain point in our trend line, we can place our trade. So let's remove this line and draw on this one. I hope this is clear. I'm trying to make the chart pattern a bit clearer for all of us. Okay, so let's draw a trend line there. Okay, this will be our first point. That's our second point. So let me extend this trend line this side so that I can be able to extend it to that, because it's not really clear on my chart. Okay, so okay, so there it is. Okay, my trend line keeps moving. I'm not sure why it keeps moving. Okay, but there we go. Okay, on the third part, so that's the first touch, second touch, and then we look for entries on the third touch. So the price shied away from touching the trend line, but that's a 3-drive pattern. That's how it will come about. I guess this is for manipulation, and the broker will be trying to keep the price away because he'll be knowing that you have timed entries. You want to get in at that point. So when you see the price approaching that side, you prepare for an entry, and also you can wait for a candlestick pattern. Like in that case, we have a bearish engulfing. Then you place your entries here. So that is a trade that you can take, and where you come out will be the next point of resistance or point of support. If you do not want to come out at that point, what you can do, you can trail using your stop loss so that, okay, let me just draw a line there. So you enter the trade there, then you enter the trade there, you can come out there, or as you're saying, you can see that it just reached a base and the price might go down. You might want to just protect your trades, put a stop loss maybe somewhere there, then let the trade run. So it will run up to here because you have a stop loss up there. You'll just keep your trades running. Then when it comes down up to here, as you can see, that's a point where there's a support. You'd want to protect your trades more. You can still keep your stop loss somewhere there. Then trail your trades, let it run. When the trade comes to somewhere here, you need to move your stop loss to about here so that your profits are not taken from you. Then you leave it running. Then when it comes to somewhere here, you move your stop loss again to here. Then leave your trades running until then you move your stop loss to somewhere here. Then you'll be taken out by your stop loss. So this is how we trade a 3-drive pattern using trend lines. So this is how you make money trading. So you don't have to trade everything that just comes on your chart. Wait for patterns that are conclusive. Wait for patterns that you can see that I can actually make money from this pattern. Don't just trade everything. Otherwise, you'll lose your hard-earned cash. So now it's time for you to go into your charts. Mark such patterns. Mark 3-drive patterns. Use your trend line so that you are better able to place your trades and you are better able to make money online. So when you see this, do not be hesitant. Be able to take this trade, but be able as well to trail with your stop loss so that your money is not given back to the broker, and be able to make money online. So this will help you be more and more profitable in your trading.